Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome or welcome back po dito sa Bono Magos. My name is Angel, and in today's video, Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, of course, sa ating mga cross-watchers na lagi nanonood. Maraming salamat. Ayan, Pisces, tignan natin kung ano yung mga mensahe na gustong ibahagi sa inyo ng ating mga guardian angels and spirit guides. Okay, bago ako magsisimula, Pisces, gusto ko lang i-flex yung mga bagong items natin. I have here petition jars. Petition jars para sa lahat ng problema ninyo. Sa love life, sa pera, okay? Sabihin nyo lang sa akin kung anong problema ninyo at ako na ang gagawa sa ritual. Okay? Tell me your problems and I'll do the rest. Okay? For only 300 pesos, bayaran nyo lang ito. And of course, mga madam, okay, wala pong free shipping. Andito po ako sa Ilocos region, so medyo mahal po ang shipping. 150 to 120 po. NCR, National Capital Region, Metro Manila, 150 to 120. Depende kung saan exactly yung location ninyo. Okay? And Visayas to Mindanao, 180 to 190. Pag Davao, 190. Ayan. Cagayan, siguro, pwede pa 180. Depende. Okay? So, wala pong free shipping and no COD. Wala pong cash on delivery. Bakit? Last time, nag-cash on delivery po ako. Madami pong na-return sa akin kasi either hindi kayo ma-contact ng rider, wala kayo sa bahay kasi nasa trabaho kayo, umaga, dinideliver, wala kayo, walang magre-receive, wala kayong pera, okay? Siyempre, aalis yung rider, hindi kayo makontak, okay? Ayan, so pag na-return yan, more or less 100 something po ang penalty. So, if 10 pong bumalik sa akin, oh my God, 1,000 pesos po. If everyday 10 po ang bumalik, everyday po ako magpe-penalty ng 1K, no way. Okay? So, no cash on delivery po tayo. Maliban na lang kung malaking company ako. Hindi po ako malaking company. Okay? Mga malaking kumpanya lang ang pwedeng mag-COD. Okay? Ayan, so Pisces, simulan na natin. Paalala lang, this is a general reading. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Okay. With the star, it looks like may wish come true kang matutupad, Pisces. Pangarap mo matutupad, dreams coming true, and may pag-asa sa sitwasyon mo. Okay, sa mga Pisces dyan na nag-aalala, nagwo-worry, may biyayang hulog mula sa langit. Okay? Ayan, accept this. I claim this blessings. Hulog ng langit. Okay, may hulog ng langit. For those of you who are interested sa aking bracelet na finiflex ko, this is 700 pesos. You have carnelian for courage, vitality, and for encouragement, for bravery. And you have howlite for peace, for calming, and you have malachite for abundance, success, and prosperity. Money and wealth po ang malachite, okay, attracting money. So, if you are interested and have charms, pwedeng mapalitan yung charms if ayaw nyo to. Okay? This is 700 pesos. If gusto niyo. If wala, akin na lang. Joke. Okay. Pisces. Let's see kung ano mga dapat ninyong malaman. Energy update, kapalaran, and mga mensahe ng gabay. Let me adjust my camera para makita ninyo ang baraha. Okay? Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Spirit. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement. Spirit guides and angels. Ano ang mensahe ninyo para sa mga Pisceans natin? Okay, Pisces, you have the Two of Cups. It looks like there is harmony, peace, partnership. Some of you are falling in love or someone is falling in love with you. Love is in the air. Let's see what's this. Two of Cups. You have the Emperor. Someone is very attracted to you, Pisces. You are attracting also with the Emperor's card, you are attracting abundance. You are attracting the love of your life. You are attracting soulmate. You are manifesting. So take this opportunity to manifest good things in your life, no? Let's see what's in the bottom. You have the Queen of Wands. This is you being confident about yourself, being good, being, feeling wonderful. Kasi ang Queen of Wands, self-confidence, bravery, okay? Powerful. Wow, you are stepping into power, Pisces. I love this energy. You are brave. Okay, you have the Tower. Unexpected changes. You have the Moon. Someone, meron sa buhay mo, Pisces. There's someone in your life right now na I feel like for some of you, may ending na mangyayari. Separation with the Tower. For some of you, you're afraid. Nagwo-worry ka, Pisces, na baka maghihiwalay kayo ng partner mo. Hahantong sa hiwalayan ang relationship ninyo ngayon. What's this? Cancer. I'm sorry. Did I say Cancer? Some of you may dealing with the Cancer. Pisces. Pisces, you have the Temperance. Hindi kayo magkasundo. You're, oil and water. You have the Three of Wands. Queen of Coins. When it comes to money and career, okay naman. Okay? May nakikita ako ditong ano, pag makita kong success, may nakikita akong paglalago sa business, sa kaperahan. Okay. I see also some travel with the Temperance. Let's see what else for our Pisces. You have the King of Wands, the Queen and King of Wands is here. Wow. You have the Four of Swords. You have the Page of Coins. You have the Ace of Coins. Wow. Okay. Queen of Wands. Okay. When it comes, let's talk about first your love life. When it comes to love life, nakikita ko dito, may posibleng separation na mangyayari. May ending. Wait lang, Pisces. Okay, Pisces, let's go back. Again, so relationship, okay, love life, meron ako nakikita dito na parang paghihiwalayan because the reason why it's two scenarios ang nakikita ko. Some of you may unexpected na darating sa buhay ninyo, unexpected person because you are in this Empress energy, Pisces, where kung saan right now, because of the energy that you are projecting into the universe, okay, throughout the universe, you are manifesting. Your manifestation is really, really strong right now. So I suggest you use this opportunity to manifest abundance, manifest good things in your life. So some of you are attracting a soulmate. And this is unexpected, sudden change with the Tower. Now the Moon, but it looks like very unclear. Kumbaga, itong person na to, just watch out because it looks like meron siyang very, tawag nito, masikreto. Hindi lahat sasabihin sa'yo. Hindi mo alam, hindi mo matutukoy kung seryoso ba to or hindi. So, kasi you have the Four of Swords. Nandun yung darating sa time na mag-overthink ka. But mostly, ikaw ang mai-in-love, Pisces, with the Two of Cups. And the reason why, for some of you, hindi mag-work itong relationship na parating sa inyo, Pisces, is because it's either hindi kayo match sa isa't isa, very opposite people, opposite, ganun naman talaga eh, opposite attracts, okay? But when it comes to career, business, money, may nakikita akong paglalago. But kailangan habaan mo ang pasensya mo. For some of you, you will decide to let go of this person and move along and move on from this connection. But when it comes to your career and money, you need balance. Balance your life. You need to balance your lifestyle, kumbaga. Okay? May opportunity na darating. Some of you are planning to invest. Nagpaplano kayo mag-invest ng money. Some of you are studying, researching online business. Some of you are taking seminars. Some of you ay nagbabalak bumalik sa pag-aaral. Tama ba? Some of you are planning to study abroad, work and study abroad, work and study at the same time. Some of you are nagbabalak bumalik sa pag-aaral, college. Gusto makapagtapos. And you will succeed. Okay? But the message here is to take action. Take action on your plans. Say you have plans. Okay? What else? Okay. Now, may nakikita din akong paglalakbay sa ibang bansa. And some of you are worried about this going international, traveling international, going abroad. Tama ba? Some of you are worried about that. Okay. Four of Swords. Some of you are nag-overthink. Daming wino-worry. Some of you are worried about the investment. Some of you are worried about may nang utang ba sa inyo? Some of you are worried about the money you invest to someone. Utang, binigay na pera, baka hindi maibalik. Okay? Let's see kung ano ang mensahe sa iyo ng mga spirit guides. Pisces. Find comfort and balance in simple ways. You have support all around you. See, find balance talaga. You have the support of the universe, so you don't have to worry. Wala kang dapat ipag-alala kasi ginagabayan ka. Okay? Your manifestations are coming true. Totoo, wala kang dapat ipag-alala. The Empress, the Three of Wands, and the Two of Swords, wala kang dapat ipag-alala sa mga manifestations mo. Minamanifest mo na na baka sana hindi magkatotoo. Magkakatotoo yan. Okay? So, avoid thinking negatively kasi yan ang mamamanifest ninyo, Pisces. Tandaan mo yan. Okay? Let's see what else. Archangel Michael. Innocence. Some of you are very, very, innocente. So you need to learn. Okay, I feel like someone here thinks that you are innocente. Or someone, I think you're thinking of someone na parang mukhang innocente but watch out. With the moon card, baka hindi yan mukhang innocente, hindi yan pagkakatiwalaan. Okay? Pakinggan nyo ako. Alright? Let's see what else. Okay, tingnan natin yung mga mensahe ng archangels sa inyo, Pisces. Okay, what else for our Pisces? Pisces, you have indigo and crystal children. Archangel Metatron, you have a bond with children. In particular, you can help children who are sensitive. There's something about children. Prosperity! Talking about prosperity, Pisces, this is what I was gonna tell you. You are really you're manifesting prosperity. Okay, so, yeah, look at this. All is well. Kailangan mo lang patience with the temperance. All is well. You have everything is happening exactly as it's supposed to. With hidden blessings, you will soon understand, Pisces. Okay, patience, your dreams are blooming more rapidly than you'd realize. Still, they need nurturing and patience. See, with the temperance, kailangan mong habaan ang pasensya mo when it comes to your blessings na paparating, abundance. The Empress card is a card of prosperity and abundance. See, Archangel Ariel, your material needs are provided as you follow your intuition and manifest your dreams into your reality. Like I said earlier, there's something about your manifestation. Your manifestations are coming true, Pisces. Okay, look at this. You have the Tower. Hindi mo to inasahan. You have the Queen of Coins. Queen of Coins is the Queen of Money. Okay, meron kang makukuhang malaking pera dito. Abundance, Page of Coins, money, opportunity, Ace of Coins, and the Judgment. Magugulat ka, bigay ng langit. Ayan ng langit, sinag ng araw, heaven, clouds. These blessings are coming from the universe. And kasama dyan yung love life mo. Okay? Wow, pinagpala ka, Pisces, kasi sobrang biyaya ang binibigay sa'yo ng langit sa'yo. Tingnan mo, unexpected blessings ang paparating sa'yo. Hindi mo inaasahan ng mga karangyaan. Okay? Karangyaan ang nakikita ko dito. Opportunity. Malaking opportunity ang darating sa inyo, Pisces, na hindi mo inasahan. Unexpected money, unexpected blessings, unexpected luck, unexpected. Hindi mo inasahan to. Okay? So, Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, yan po ang iyong reading. Let me know if nagustuhan ninyo. Thank you so much. And congratulations, no? God bless. Huwag po kayong aalis kasi ay, by the way, wag niyong kalimutan mag-comment sa baba. I-comment ninyo na kiniklaim mo to. Lalo na itong prosperity. Oh my God, congratulations. I love this for you, Pisces. What else? Don't forget to like para ma-manifest to, magkakatotoo ang mga manifestations ninyo. Okay? And mag-subscribe din kayo kasi next Saturday magpapahula ako ng libre. Abangan niyo sa YouTube Live. Okay? So, don't go away. I'll be right back kasi meron pa akong may flex mga items na posibleng magustuhan ng iba. So, ingat po and God bless. Sa mga naghahanap po ng mga pampaswerte, meron akong one full necklace. This is a Chinese pampaswerte. Okay? One full. Pinagdadala ito ng blessings, prosperity, abundance, good fortune, ayan, pampaswerte, and happiness. Ayan. So, this is only 300 pesos. May libre na siyang red bracelet. Kaya wag na kayong magpahuli. Okay, message me sa Facebook page, Ladybug PH, kung gusto nyong bumili. Sa mga naghahanap naman po ng money magnet, oil or pampaswerte, panghatak sa kaperahan. Okay, I have money magnet oil for only $2.99. May libre ng red bracelet. Ayan, wag na kayong pagpahuli mga madam and sir. Iilan na lang po ito. Okay, ipahid nyo lang sa pulso, sa kamay ninyo or sa likod ng tenga ninyo. Ayan, kahit saan pwede nyong ilagay. Okay, pwede nyo lang din dalhin kung ayaw nyong gamitin. Ayan, pampahatak po ng pera. Okay, mag-message po kayo sa Facebook page ko, Ladybug PH po. Sa mga naghahanap po ng pangontra sa mga inggit, okay, pangontra, protection sa mga masasamang balak ng tao sa atin, okay, lalong-lalo na mga kapitbahay, mga frenemies natin, na alam mo, may masamang tingin, mga inggit. Okay, number 1 po na nakakasira sa pagsasamahan ng mga tao sa paligid natin is inggit. Ang mga taong may inggit sa atin, may mga masamang balak yan. Papakulam kayo, gagawang kayo ng mga masamang ill wishes. So, kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng protection dyan, and of course, ang ating evil eye, may dala ding swerte. Swerte na may protection pa sa mga inggit at mga masamang balak, ill intention, masamang balak, masamang hangarin. Ayan, yan po ang benefits ng evil eye. For only 300 pesos each, mag-message lang po kayo sa Ladybug PH or Bonum Magos next month. Okay, magiging Bonum Magos na ang Ladybug PH next month, May 29, okay? Ayan, mga madam and sir, welcome back. Ayan, so sa mga naghanap po ng pampaswerte, ayan, meron po tayong jade necklace. This is only 300 pesos each. Ayan, pampaswerte sa sugal, pampaswerte sa buhay, lahat na po, pampaswerte sa pag-ibig. Yan, jade is for good luck. Kaya kunin nyo na. Okay, message nyo po ako sa Facebook page, Ladybug PH. Ayan, mag-message po kayo. Sabihin po ninyo, ma'am, pabili po ako ng jade necklace, 300 pesos. Ngayon sa mga namumblema naman dyan sa pera, meron tayong green aventurine. Maganda po ito panghatak sa pera. This is a money magnet stone, yung green aventurine. So, if namumblema kayo sa pera, hindi kayo maka-loan, hindi kayo makabenta, hindi kayo parang walang pasok, walang perang pumapasok, no? So, kailangan po ninyo ng green aventurine necklace. This is only 300 pesos, kaya mag-message na kayo bago pa kayo maunahan. Now, sa mga namumblema naman sa kanilang love life, meron tayong rose quartz necklace. 4 pieces lang po ang available sa ngayon. Pero wag po kayong mag-aalala kasi magre-restock po ako in the future. So, sa gustong bumili, ayan, mag-message lang kayo sa Facebook page, Ladybug PH, or dito sa Facebook page if naka-post po ito sa Facebook page, ayun, mag-PM na po kayo. Okay, so yung rose quartz po ay tutulong sa inyo na ma-in-love lalo ang yung person. So, gamitin nyo po ito, okay, during or pag nasa tabi po ninyo ang inyong mga minamahal sa buhay, o di ba? Ayan, so yung rose quartz din po ay nakakatulong para maging maayos ang takbo ng iyong love life. Last but not the least, yung citrine necklace po. Alam naman natin na yung citrine is the stone, merchant stone. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, yung mga merchants or mga sellers. Kaya kung ikaw ay nagbebenta, meron kang binibenta, may sari-sari store ka, may restaurant ka, may business ka, ayan, maganda po itong citrine, bagay na bagay po ito sa mga negosyante dyan. Okay? Para panghatak, pampaswerte, panghatak ng pera, ayan yung citrine. And talagang mabibenta ninyo yung mga binibenta ninyo. Lalo-lalo na dun sa mga nagbibenta ng lupa. Ayan, pwede rin yung citrine. Ayan, kung meron kayong binibentang kahit anong binibenta. Okay? This is the seller's stone, kumbaga. Kaya, ayan, kunti lang yan. For sure, maraming bibili nito, kaya paunahan lang po sa pagbayad. Kaya huwag ka nang magpahuli, mag-message na kayo sa Facebook page, Ladybug PH Tarot. Kung ito nakapost sa Facebook page, ayan, mag-PM na po kayo. Sa mga namomroblema naman po dyan sa mga utang nila at yung mga pinag-utangan, okay? Pahirapan ba ang pasingil, ma'am? Pahirapan po ba ang pagsingil sa mga umutang sa inyo? Or ikaw na may mga loans, may mga utang, pahirapan ba ang pagbayad? Then you need iolite crystal. Okay? Tutulong ka nito ang crystal na to para mabayaran yung mga utang at hindi kayo mahirapang maningil, okay, sa mga nagkautang sa inyo. Okay? Wear this for 90 days. Ayan, matutulungan kayo. So, for only 300 pesos, mag-message lang po kayo sa Facebook page, Ladybug PH. At sa mga naghahanap naman po doon sa mga pangontra or proteksyon sa mga palipad hangin, mga kulam, kung ikaw ay kinukulam or takot ka na makulam, ayan, may panangga po ako. You have black tourmaline necklace, ayan, pang malakasan, malakas makasosyal. Okay, hindi halatang protection siya, and then pang-alis na rin. And sa mga interesado po, you can take a screenshot. This is only 300 pesos. Okay, mabenta sa akin to ngayon. Kasi daming, yun nga, kinukulam kay ng mga third party, mga kapitbahay. So, wag na kayo magpahuli, mga madam and sir. Bumili na kayo. 300 pesos only. So, mag-message lang po kayo sa Ladybug PH. Mga madam, if naghahanap po kayo ng pampaswerte sa sugal, okay, any sugal, casino, swertres, baraha, mahjong, ano pa, tongits, mahilig ba kayo magsugal sa baraha, then you need this horse, shoe, and clover white bracelet. Okay, pampaswerte sa mga gambling, kumbaga. Okay, message lang po kayo sa Facebook page Ladybug PH. Okay, for only 300 pesos and of course plus shipping po tayo.